everybody, welcome to Miss Tori's Read and Learn. Today's book will have a little game for us to play. It is called Guess the Insect by Carrie Noel. In this game, I'm going to give some clues and you're going to have to try to guess what the insect is. Let's see if we can guess. A guessing game. Squished inside this book are 10 mystery insects trying to create a stir. Will you let them? If so, they challenge you to a guessing game. When you're ready to begin, we'll turn the page to meet our mystery insect number 1. This bug has a clever clue that hints of its identity without revealing its name. Try to guess which kind it is before we turn the page. Mystery insect number 1. Polka dots are always in style. If you ask me, big black spots decorate my bright red wing covers. What insect could this be? I am a ladybug. And then it gives us a little fact about it. It says, my coloring warns predators that I'm not worth eating. I ooze a liquid that gives me a terrible taste. Did you guess this one right? Let's see if we can figure out mystery insect number 2. Mystery insect number 2. I wear stripes just like prisoners once did, but my stripes are brown and gold instead of black and white. What insect has wings and it has brown and gold stripes? Let's turn the page and see if you guessed correctly. I am a honeybee. Did you guess a honeybee? More to say, my coloring clues predators in on the fact that I'm dangerous. I'm armed with a stinger. Oh no, I do not want to get stung by the honeybee, so let's let the honeybee suck the nectar from the flower by itself. Now we're going to do mystery insect number 3. My wingspan is as large as it gets. For an insect, I have to fold my wings when they get in my way. So this insect has large wings, and by looking at the picture, we can see that it has a lot of different coloring on it. What insect do you think this is? Did you guess a butterfly? It's a butterfly. More to say, I don't simply flap my wings up and down. To fly, I move my wings in a figure 8 motion. This butterfly is a monarch butterfly. There are many different kinds of butterflies. Let's see what mystery insect number 4 is. Mystery insect number 4. I'm famous for folding my spiny front legs. This posture is not for preying. It is my hunting method. And it's got spines on its front legs and it looks like it has green long legs. What insect could this be? Let's turn the page and find out. I'm a praying mantis. More to say, I look not threatening when I fold my front legs, but I'm actually just waiting to grab my prey. Have you been guessing these ones right? Let's see if we can guess number 5 correctly. Mystery insect number 5. Tweezers could be a good nickname for me. I have a pair of pinchers on my back end. So we see that this insect is brown and it looks like it has some pinchers. Let's turn the page and see what it is. I'm an earwig. Did you guess that one? That one was a harder one to guess. My pinchers serve more than one purpose. I can use them as a weapon of self-defense. They are also my hunting tools. Let's see what mystery insect number 6 is. Dogs might want to pick me up for a game of fetch. My long, thin body and legs are twig-like. So this bug kind of looks like a stick. Do you know what this bug is called? Let's turn the page and see if you are correct. I'm a stick bug. More to say, I look like a stick for camouflage. I become invisible to predators when I blend in with my forest surrounding. Predators are other animals that are trying to eat it. Let's see what our next insect is. Mystery insect number 7. I can fly great distance with my see-through wings. They may look delicate, but they are powerful. So this insect has wings that you can see through, and it looks like it might also have black and yellow on it. Do you know what insect this is? I'm a dragonfly. More to say, straight ahead is not the only flight pattern I follow. Sometimes I fly straight up or straight down. Let's see what our next insect is. Mystery insect number 8. Just the sight of me can make people scream and run. I guess my thick body gives me a monstrous appearance. So this insect has a thick body, and people scream and run when they see it. What insect can this be? Let's turn the page and see. It's a cockroach! Oh no, I would not like to see that in my house. Then it says more to say, I live life as a nocturnal creature. I move around at night so the darkness can keep me hidden. So nocturnal means that they are awake during the night and they sleep during the day. Can you think of any other animals or insects that are nocturnal? Let's look at the next mystery insect number 9. I get called a tiny vampire because I suck blood. Part of my mouth looks like a straw for drinking. So this insect bites you and sucks your blood, so it has a straw-like mouth. What insect can you think of? Let's see if we're correct. It's a mosquito! More to say, I and other female mosquitoes only drink blood in order to produce an egg. Otherwise, we drink nectar like males do. Mosquitoes drink nectar just like honeybees do, but they need the blood to help them produce an egg. Let's turn the page and see what's next. Mystery insect number 10. I have red eyes in every picture I take. The red is my natural eye color, and it's not because of a camera flash. So this one has 2 red eyes, and it looks like it's got little hairs on it. What insect do you think this is? Let's turn the page and find out. I'm a fly! More to say, I have 4,000 lenses in each of my eyes. This means the images I see look more like mosaics. So mosaics are kind of a picture that uses lots of different either like stained glass or little pieces of paper. Thank you for helping me guess the insects. I hope you guys enjoyed playing this game today, and I hope you learned some interesting facts about insects. If you would like to hear more Storytime read-alouds and more interactive lessons, there is a link in the description below. Thank you all for listening today. See you all next time. Goodbye, friends.